Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to switch account on Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To switch accounts in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, first of all launch the Mobile Legends application on your device, and once you're on the main screen of the game, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're in your profile settings menu, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom left, and you will end up in the account settings page. You'll see icons representing your current account. Simply go to the right hand side and click on Switch Account. Now, from the Switch Account option, you will see different other options such as Facebook, Google, or Moonton. Go ahead and select an account that you'd like to switch to and follow through the prompts. And right after you do that, your game progress, skins, and other settings will be associated with the new account. If you're using guest account, you can simply tap on the Switch Account button and select another account such as Google, TikTok, Facebook, etc. And this will help you switch between accounts on Mobile Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.